all of you. Today I am going to start a new chapter for class 10th. Okay, that is sources of energy. This is the third chapter of your physics book. Okay, energy is the main source through which we can do any type of work. For example, for cooking food, energy is needed. For producing electricity, energy is needed. For running the trains, energy is needed. Either energy is provided by coal, petrol, LPG, natural gas, electricity, etc. Okay? What is sources of energy? Here, first of all, we define sources of energy. A source of energy is one which can provide sufficient amount of energy in a convenient form over a long period of time. Okay? Sources of energy is that which provided energy for long period of time, not short period of time. Okay? When we classify sources of energy, we have found that it has two main types. Types of sources of energy. Number one is renewable sources of energy. Number one and number two, non-renewable sources of energy. Okay? Renewable sources of energy are that source of energy which can be recycled again and again. That means when you use it, it is also available again and again, and you feel no any type of deficiency of such type of energy. Like sun. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. All types of energies are produced by our great sun. Okay? Wind energy, water energy, tidal energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, etc. are renewable sources of energy. Wood is also a type of renewable energy, but wood is not available in such a way. Okay? That means the energy which is recycled again and again is called renewable sources of energy. And non-renewable sources of energy. The energy which is not recycled again and again is called non-renewable sources of energy. When you use it, then it ends. Okay? like coal, petroleum, diesel, natural gas, LPG, etc. are non-renewable sources of energy. Coal, petroleum, diesel are also known as fossil fuels. Okay? What's known as fossil fuels? Okay? This is the store of non-renewable sources of energy is limit after a certain period of time it can be in debt. Okay? And there is no any type of such fossil fuels are presented on the surface of the earth for daily to daily life needed. Okay? So our scientists had discovered another sources of energy. Okay? They try to save the energy and produce the energy simultaneously. Okay? Now, I am going to explain what is fossil fuel. What is fossil fuel? Fossil fuels are those natural fuels. I tell to you, it is a natural fuel. Okay, that means made by the nature. It is not made by the human beings. Fossil fuels are a type of natural fuels which is obtained from the dead remains of both animals and plants. Okay? Coal, petroleum is the main source of fossil fuel. It is formed by the dead remains of both plants or animals. Okay? Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Okay? Fossil fuels. Its example: coal, petrol, diesel, natural gas, etc. Okay, these are the examples of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed after very long period of time. It at present not formed. We use such type of fossil fuels which are stored inside the earth's surface. Okay? Earth's surface. Here question arises: how fossil fuels are formed? very long period of time, long ago, our earth covered with either forests or microorganisms. Okay. Water bodies are also presented on the surface of the earth. The upper layer of earth, that is crust of the earth, is porous and water goes inside the earth's surface. Okay. And inside heat of the earth converted this water into water vapor. These water vapors are stored very long period of time, and at a time of instant a huge earthquake as well as volcanic eruption is happened in huge intensity. For this result, all forests and microorganisms are go inside the earth's crust. Okay. And after long period of time, millions or billions years, all plants and animals converted into fossil fuels due to the inside heat of the earth's core, huge pressure of earth's crust, and absence of air. For this result, all plants converted into coal, while microorganisms converted into petroleum. Okay. After refining of petroleum, we can obtain petrol, diesel, kerosene, asphalt, wax, etc., gasoline, etc. Okay. And hence fossil fuels are formed. They form very long period of time. At present they are not formed. So its store is limit, and we have used the fossil fuels economically and mentally. Okay. Now in next class I will teach you some another sources of energy and power plants where electricity is originated. Till thank you. Have a nice day.